Welcome! If you use Telegram on your PC and want to make sure videos from your groups download automatically so you never miss out on content, this quick guide will walk you through the new update settings step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines icon. This is your main menu, where you'll find various options to customize your Telegram experience. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings to open your app's configuration options. Within Settings, scroll down and select Advanced. This is where you'll find more detailed controls for how the app behaves. Once inside the advanced settings, find and click on the section labeled In Groups. This controls media auto-download specifically for group chats, which is where a lot of your shared videos come from. Now, in this section, you'll see various media types with checkboxes. Look for videos, and make sure to check this box. Enabling this option means videos shared in your groups will automatically start downloading to your device without you having to tap each one manually. By enabling video auto-download from groups, you ensure smooth viewing whether you're online or offline, and it helps you keep track of all shared media without extra steps. Remember, having this feature switched on could use more storage space and data, so adjust accordingly if you're on a limited data plan or have storage restrictions. That's all it takes: opening Telegram, navigating from the three lines menu to Settings Advanced In Groups, and checking the Videos option. Now you can sit back and enjoy your Telegram group videos downloading automatically on your PC hassle-free.